So quality factor at resonance. So for parallel RLC circuits, so what are the different expressions for the quality factor? So QR. So parallel RLC circuit is resistance, inductance and capacitance connected in parallel, and this combination is connected to a voltage source, and the current coming from the source is I, and that current divides into these elements as IR, IL and IC. So at a resonance or parallel resonance circuit, so what are the different expressions for the quality factor? So these are the different expressions for the quality factor, which is represented with the QR at resonance. So QR is equals to. So if you know the value of resistor, inductor and capacitor, so at that time R into root C by L is the expression for the quality factor. And the second one is if you know the resistance and reactance offered by the inductor, so at that time quality factor is QR equal to R by XL. So again XL equal to omega RL. So R by omega RL is the quality factor for parallel RLC circuit. So similarly as XL equal to XC, 1 by XL equal to 1 by XC in at resonance, so quality factor QR equal to R by XC. If you know R and XC, R by XC is the quality factor for parallel RLC circuit, and XC equal to omega R, 1 by XC equal to omega RC, or otherwise XC equal to 1 by omega RC. So omega R CR is also the quality factor for parallel RLC circuit. So similarly, if you multiply these two, so these two, so at that time we get to quality factor R QR square, which is equal to R by omega RL into omega R CR. So omega R gets cancelled. So we get R square into C by L. So QR is equals to R root C by L. So again, if you know the resistor, inductor and capacitor value, so quality factor of a parallel RLC circuit is R into root C by L. So similarly, if we know voltage, supply voltage and voltage across the inductor at a resonance, then quality factor of parallel RLC circuit at resonance is V by VL. So V by VL. So if you know voltage across the supply voltage and voltage across the capacitor, so at that time expression for the quality factor is equals to V by VC. So similarly in terms of powers, quality factor is QR equal to active power by reactive power. Active power is the power taken by the resistor, and reactive power is the power taken by the inductor or otherwise capacitor. So ratio between active power to the reactive power is also the quality factor. So these are the different expressions to find the quality factor QR at resonance in parallel RLC circuit.